And this is our topic: virtual memory, virtual memory addresses, translation, use of an associated map to TLB. What is virtual memory? Virtual memory is a method that allows the computer to use more memory than the actual RAM. When the RAM becomes full, the computer uses a part of hard disk like extra memory, and this helps the computer run the programs even if RAM is small. It also makes sure that programs do not disturb each other's memory. This the virtual memory is a method computer. Mm, when the RAM becomes full, the computer uses the part of hard disk like pen drives, and it takes extra memory from that, and this helps the computer to run the big programs even if the computer has a small storage, and it also makes sure that programs do not disturb each other's memory. And next, processor which is present in the CPU, and it sends the virtual address to the memory management unit, and memory management unit converts the virtual address into the physical address, which it sends to the cache, and cache which if data is present, it has the fast address. If data is not present, it sends the physical address to the main memory, and the main memory which transfers the data from the DMA transfer and to the disk storage. Why virtual memory is needed? Because to run the big programs that cannot fully fit in the RAM, and to allow the many programs to run at the same time, and to protect the memory of each program, and to make the computer feel like it has more memory, and to manage memory in a smooth and safe way. And the next topic is controlled by memory.
I want to explain what is paging. Paging in computer organization architecture is known as virtual memory, where it's divided into two parts. One is equal size blocks, and one is which same size blocks. So the equal size blocks are known as paging, and fixed size blocks are known as page frames. Where paging is used for only one line of code, and page frames are many block, or when the program needs a large page which is not in RAM, the system brings it from hard disk to free frame in RAM. This is the using memory more efficiently, uses more efficiently. Why we need page table? It is used to help track of pages and the locations. Each program has its own table, and it stores which virtual page is kept in the physical frame, and it tells whether page is RAM or not. CPU use the page table to find its the correct physical address. Next is controlled by message.
I explain about the virtual memory address translation. So in this address translation is a process after changing a virtual address into a physical address. The virtual address has two parts. One is page number and offset. The system takes the page table to know the frame number. Then the frame number and the offset are combined to get the physical address. If the page is not in the RAM, a page is fault occurs and the system loads the page from the hard disk. So here is the diagram. The virtual address from the processor, it has two. One is the virtual page number and offset. Here the virtual page number is addressed to the page table address, and in where the address is stored. The address is stored in a page table, which it is goes to the page table. Where page table contains two, and first one is control bits, and the second one is page frame in memory. And after
Offset will come from the virtual address from processor. The physical address in the main memory.
So steps in address translation, CPU creates a virtual address. So page number is taken from that address. Page table is checked for the matching frame. If the page is in the RAM, frame plus offset which is gives the physical address. So if the page is not in the RAM, the page will what occurs. So system loads the page from disk into a RAM and update the page table. Next part will be continued by coding.
Today I will hear a question about the TLB users. TLB is a very small and very fast memory that stores the most recently used pages to frame the details, in which instead of checking the page table every time, the CPU first checks that if the needed page is found there, the address translation becomes very fast, and this makes the system to access memory very quickly and run faster. This diagram describes how the virtual address is converted to the physical address. First, the virtual address processor sends a virtual page number to the page number to the TLB, and it checks the entries. If the required entries is present in the TLB, it provides quickly the page frame and number, and it will combine with the offset and provide the physical physical address. If that TLB does not consist the entries, it will check in the page table and update the TLB and then generate the physical address. This is the associative map to TLB. It shows the recently used pages entries, and the user's associative search means check the all entries at once. Makes finding the page to frame match very fast. If the TLB matches, the transaction is very quick. If the TLB is if it means the page table is checked, and TLB is updated with the new entries.